Welcome back to Lesson 11 of the Career Ready series. I'm Savannah Poole, and today we're talking about using AI responsibly and ethically. This is a really important conversation because AI tools are becoming a part of everyday work. You're going to use them, your teammates are going to use them, but the difference is how you use them. Because AI can be incredibly helpful, but it can also lead to mistakes if you rely on it too much. So today, we're going to talk about how to use AI in a way that actually makes you better, not dependent. Here's what we're going to cover: what AI is and what it isn't, how to use AI as a tool, the risks and limitations of AI, and how to use it ethically. And then, like always, we'll do a simple assignment on how to practice this. Let's start with the basics. What AI actually is. AI is a tool to assist you, not to replace your thinking. It generates outputs based on patterns, which means it can sound very confident, as you probably know. It can sound very confident even when it's wrong. And that's really important to understand. And it's something we're all learning together. AI is not always correct. So here is the mindset I want you to have. Trust it, but verify it. Use it to support your thinking, not replace it. Now, let's talk about how to actually use AI well, because this is where it becomes very powerful. You can use AI to brainstorm ideas. If you're stuck, it helps get you started. You can use it to improve your writing and clarity, to refine something that you've already created, and you can use it to help explain complex topics, especially when you're learning something new. But here's the key. You're still the one who needs to be thinking. You're still the one deciding what's correct. AI just needs to help you move faster and more efficiently. All right, this is really important. Let's talk about risks and limitations. AI can produce incorrect information, and sometimes it sounds very confident while being wrong. That's what makes it tricky. It should never be your only source. And this is the rule. Always, always double check your work. If something matters, you need to verify it because using AI responsibly means knowing its limits. Now, let's talk about ethical use of AI. This is where your integrity is going to come in. First, don't submit AI work as your own. Use it as a tool, not a shortcut. Second, protect sensitive information. Don't put private or confidential data into AI tools. And third, use AI to learn, not to avoid thinking on your own. The goal is to actually build your skills. And this is the most important idea. Your integrity matters. How to use these tools reflects directly on you. All right, as always, we're going to have an assignment. First, take a short paragraph that you have written, use AI to improve it, whether that's clarity, structure, or tone. Then, review the output carefully, edit it, adjust it, and make it your own. The goal is not to copy, it's to improve. And the more you practice this, the more effectively you'll be able to use AI in your own work. All right. Thanks for joining me for lesson 11. Bye.